Vox Mundo, English Story Time. Especially slow and clear English for beginners. Original story, The Letter He Never Sent. Hello, and welcome to another video from Vox Mundo. Today we will listen to a story in English. The story will be told slowly and clearly so you can understand and learn new words and sentences. This is a great way to improve your listening skills and enjoy the beauty of the English language. Are you ready? Let's begin. He used to dream. Dream of words that never left his lips, but lived in the ink of a letter. A letter he never sent. This is a story of silence, of a young man trapped in his own fear, and a love that remained hidden, locked away in a drawer. He was shy, uncertain, always watching from afar. She was light itself, laughing, radiant, unaware. Back then, he used to write letters filled with longing, hope, and silent confessions. He would sit by the window, pen trembling in hand, heart pounding louder than the quiet room. Each word was a risk, each sentence a secret. He used to tell himself, maybe tomorrow, but tomorrow never came. Days passed, weeks. The letter grew thicker, but his courage thinner. She never knew. He watched her smile, unaware of the storm inside him. He imagined telling her everything, the way she made his world brighter. But fear stole the words. The letter stayed folded, safe in a drawer, a symbol of all he could not say. Years passed, and life moved on, but he kept the letter, an anchor to a past that never faded. He grew older, but the feelings stayed young, frozen in time. In a dusty room, the letter was found, its edges yellowed, its ink faded but still alive. Someone opened it carefully, reading the words of a boy who never spoke. The past came rushing back. In every line. What happened to the boy? To the girl who never knew? The letter holds the answer. If you listen closely, he used to sit alone, pen in hand, heart pounding. The silence around him was loud, filled with words he never dared to say. I'm afraid, he whispered to the empty room. For weeks, he would write the same lines, then tear them up. He used to say, "Maybe tomorrow." But tomorrow never came. She was unaware, living her life, laughing and shining. He watched, wishing to tell her everything. But silence held him back. Sometimes he imagined what could have been, if only he had dared. The letter became his voice, a place for his soul. He read it aloud, imagining her hearing every word, feeling every heartbeat. But the letter stayed folded, hidden, silent. Fear was stronger than hope. Back then, life was a fragile dance between hope and hesitation. He dreamed of a day when he could say it all. But the day never came. Seasons changed. Years passed. His heart stayed frozen, caught between want and fear. Then, one day, she was gone, not just out of sight, but out of his life. He stared at the empty space, the silence heavier than words. The letter still folded, a reminder of chances missed. Years passed, and the letter stayed safe, locked away. Sometimes he took it out, traced the words with trembling fingers. I wonder if she ever knew, he thought. But since he never sent it, the question remained. The letter became a symbol of love frozen in time, a silent witness to a story never told. Flash to present. In a dusty room, the letter was found, its edges yellowed, its meaning untouched by time. Someone held it carefully, feeling the weight of years. As they opened it, the past rushed back. The letter told a story of a boy who loved silently, of hopes never spoken aloud. And in that moment, two lives, separated by time, were connected again. What happened to the boy? To the girl? The letter holds the answer. If you're willing to listen. He was never brave enough to send the letter, but his love never died. She moved away, chasing her own dreams, unaware of his feelings. Years later, he found peace, carrying the memory gently. The letter, now a relic, a story to be told. Sometimes, love is not about being heard. Sometimes, it's enough to feel. He hopes she is happy, wherever she is, and that one day she might read the letter and understand. The letter never sent, but never forgotten. Thank you for walking this journey of love and silence with me. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to watch the next video, where more stories await. Until next time, take care and keep your heart open.